Parents and operators now know when daycare or childcare centers will be able to reopen and how. And some daycare owners say they believe the governor's measured approach is the right one. News 5's Jordan Vandenberg explains why in this News 5 original.
Daycare and childcare centers across Ohio will reopen May 31st, but under state guidelines requiring a reduced number of children and intensified cleaning practices. It appears to be an extension of what facilities like Learn, Play, and Grow Childcare Center in South Euclid has been doing for 2 months.
These new implements that we're putting into our programs have definitely helped. So I think definitely keeping them at a pandemic center and not full-fledged opening our centers will definitely make a huge impact and keep, our risk of actually getting COVID-19 in our child care facilities low.
Under its pandemic license, the daycare has been operating at 30% capacity, and by doing so, it has minimized the risk of infection. Owners Althea and Andre Cavor say.
I lost money there, but I'd rather lose money than lose lives.
If you bring a ton of kids and 25 kids in one classroom together, and one child is infected by something, that 25 is infected, then they all going to trickle out to every home, to the grandparents, to aunts, to mothers, or fathers. It's a domino effect.
Cavor says the state's reopening of daycares should continue to be a very slow and deliberate process. Governor DeWine says although it may put a burden on families heading back to work, the approach is necessary to ensure the virus doesn't spread unfettered. In South Euclid, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.